My name is Fran Keenan, and I'm here at the Birmingham Botanical Gardens, which has been a cherished place of inspiration for the community since 1962. The garden is an incredible canvas for fabric and color, and I've always loved the connection of house and garden, pulling fabric into the garden, softening the hardscape, and then pulling parts of the garden into the house for a needed organic layer indoors. Jofa's Garden Walk was where we began finding our vision. This year we aim to transport our guests with a well-traveled aesthetic featuring a palette of vibrant clear color balanced by fresh white backgrounds and a dominant crisp red that we hope steals the show throughout the event. Spherical shapes and geometric edges on a large scale have been very directional. The red and white Baldwin stripe and the party foyer welcomes guests with a tinted party vibe. And the rotunda ceiling is upholstered in Lee Jofa's tableau pattern, which is book matched across 8 triangles and creates a lovely patterned halo across the entire room. We were so inspired by the layering of Lee Jofa's timeless classical patterns and mixing them with sleek finishes and strong modern art.